I'm on the popular Canterbury Gardens development and Squires Court to this new listing. It is a large 3-bedroom top floor apartment boasting 3 double bedrooms and an abundance of space throughout. Let's head through to one of the bedrooms just through here. Then we've got a modern fitted kitchen. It's a good standard. A 3-piece bathroom just off the hall as well. Another bedroom. Like I say, really good sized doubles. Has a good view of the beautifully maintained communal gardens for the block. Then further down the hall, we've got a spacious lounge diner. And finally, a large main bedroom to complete the accommodation. The property benefits from communal parking and is just a stone's throw from Ladywell Tram Stop, which provides direct access into Salford Quays, Media City and Manchester City Centre as well. Get in touch to secure your viewing today.